Dear student, today we are going to start a new topic, friction. So many questions arise in our minds when we listen the word friction. So have you noticed why moving ball stops, why bicycle stops when the cyclist stops pending? Naturally, there must be some forces that stops moving objects. Since a force not only moves and objects but also stops moving objects. The force that opposes the motion of moving objects is called friction. As you can see in the diagrams, they are showing the friction. Friction is a force that comes into action as soon as body is pushed or pulled over surface. In case of solids, the force friction between two bodies depends upon many factors such as nature of the two surfaces in contact and pressing the force between them. Rub your palms over different surfaces such as table, carpets, polished marble surface, bricks. You will find smoother is the surface, easier it is to move your palm over the surface. Moreover, harder your harder you press your palms over the surface, more difficult would it be to move. Now question is rise our mind, why friction opposes motion? No surface is perfectly smooth. A surface that appears smooth has pits and bumps that can be seen under a microscope. The greater is the pressing force, the greater will be the friction between the sliding surface. Friction is equal to the applied force that tends to move a body at rest. It increases with applied force. Frictions can be increased to certain maximum value. It does not increase beyond this. The maximum values of friction is known as the force of limiting frictions, and it is denoted by Fs. It depends on the normal reactions pressing force between the two surfaces in contact. The ratio between the force of limiting force and the normal reaction R is constant. This constant called the coefficient of friction and is represented by mu. Thus, coefficient of friction is equal to Fs. Fs means static friction over R. R means reactions. Fs now Fs is equal to mu R. R is equal to mg. Now putting the value of mu, Fs is equal to mu mg. So this is equations. Friction is needed to walk on the ground. It is risky to run on the wet floor with shoes that have the smooth soles. Athletes use special shoes that have extraordinary ground grips